Hi everybody, welcome to Storytime with Fairfield County Library. My name's Miss Nina and I am so excited for Storytime today. Are you guys ready? Okay, awesome. This week our theme is birthdays. That means this week we are going to be reading books that are about cake and candles and birthday parties. Okay, our first book is When's My Birthday by Julie Fogliano, illustrated by Christian Robinson and published by Roaring Book Press. When's my birthday? Where's my birthday? How many days until my birthday? Will my birthday be on Tuesday? Will my birthday be tomorrow? Will my birthday be in winter? Will my birthday be in spring? Will my birthday have some singing? Will we sing so happy, happy? Will we dance around and round? Will we jump and jump and jump? When's my birthday? Where's my birthday? How many days until my birthday? I'd like a pony for my birthday and a necklace for my birthday. I'd like a chicken for my birthday. I'd like a ball to bounce and bounce. I'd like a big cake on my birthday with lots of chocolate on my birthday and lots of candles on my birthday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'd like some wishes on my birthday. I'd like some kisses on my birthday. I'd like some berries on my birthday and tiny sandwiches with soup. And you're invited to my birthday, and she's invited to my birthday, and he's invited to my birthday, and you and you and you. And you can wear your fancy dresses, and you can wear your fuzzy slippers, and you can wear a hat with feathers, or a helmet with a cape. If it ever is my birthday, will it never be my birthday? Is it almost happy birthday? Happy, happy day to me. When's my birthday? Where's my birthday? How many days until my birthday? In the morning, it's my birthday. I'm not sleeping till my birthday. I'm just waiting till my birthday. I'm just yawning till my birthday. I'm just dreaming of my birthday. Happy snore and snore to me. It's the daytime. Here's my birthday. Happy, happy, hee hee hee. Time for cakey, wakey, wakey. Happy, happy day to me. And then here, you can point out your birthday. All right, that was When's My Birthday? Did you guys like it? When's your birthday? What are you planning to do for your birthday? Okay, our next book is How Do Dinosaurs Say Happy Birthday by Jane Yolen, illustrated by Mark Teague, and published by Blue Sky Press. How does a dinosaur child celebrate? Does she hog all the cake on her big birthday plate? Does she finger the frosting, lick all the ice cream? Does she greet every guest with a T-Rexable scream? Does she grab all the presents, snatch up every card? Does she make pin the tail on the dinosaur hard? No, a dinosaur doesn't. She greets every guest, then tells them their presents are simply the best. She gives everyone large helping of cake. She shares party favors that she helped to make. When the party is over, she thanks Mom and Dad for the very best birthday she's ever had. This was such fun, and next year there'll be more. Happy birthday to you, little dinosaur. All right, that was How Do Dinosaurs Say Happy Birthday? What'd you guys think? What's your favorite kind of dinosaur? All right, everybody, thank you for coming to Storytime. Now, just because we're done reading does not mean we have to be done with Storytime. At the library, you can get something called a Storytime kit, which are these fun-filled activity kits that go with the books you read today. Each kit comes with a coloring sheet, a craft, and a tasty recipe that you can make with your grown-ups. This week, our craft is a birthday hat. To get a kit, you need to come to the Fairfield County Library and look for some crates in the children's section. Now we have 2 crates, one for Monday story times and one for Wednesdays. So you want to make sure to grab the right kits, or you could end up with something completely different than what I just showed you. The kits for this story time are in the Group A crate. They are the red ones. New kits come out whenever there's a new story time, but we might have some left over from last week if you missed it. It never hurts to ask one of the librarians. Maybe ask for me, Miss Nina. Okay, everybody, thank you for joining me for story time. It's time to say goodbye, but I look forward to seeing you all next time. And I hope to see you in the library this week to pick up a Storytime kit. Bye!